That pole is 320 already. Look at that flame.
I think I cinched my eyebrows.
Surprise!
Dude, this car's fast.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I ain't trying to hide it. We filmed 3 videos in one day, but that is because there is a lot going on, such as Sean finally taking the S13 home.
Me? Just kidding. Wait, that was 3 videos today?
Yeah.
Ah, that's been a fun day.
Yeah, it has been.
We're taking this home?
Yeah, finally. The S13 is finished.
It is? Doesn't look finished to me.
You're a terrible actor.
No, it's not finished, but it's coming home.
Yeah. I mean, really, what's next is I think we're officially ready for a tune. I wanted to 2-step, like if you guys watched the DD video that I filmed, there's an R33 that just 2-stepped and it was like pop, pop. It was so loud, so mean. It was like gunshots, you could feel it. And now I'm really excited for this. I was saying I wasn't before, but after seeing that, I was like, so this is what an RB can do.
Yeah.
And I may fall in love with an RB over an LS.
Ooh, she said it. I'm quoting that.
We will
camera.
see. It is on camera.
I promise we'd make this thing 2-step like a biatch, but we have to change the exhaust first.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
Yeah. We'll just blow out that one. We'll just cut it off.
Yeah.
Shout out to Turbonetics, because I already know we're gonna need some new turbos once Amelia's done with this. Let's take it for a rip.
Yeah, I'll do a quick walk around and show you guys. She's sitting pretty. Can you pop the hood? And boom, RB26 twin turbo. Man, this has been a lot of man hours, a lot of work, a lot of blood, sweat, and tears, and a little bit of beer.
Maybe like a lot of beer and a little bit of blood.
But this is amazing to see her come together. I mean, we don't even need to rip the tape off because it's so fitted. We can't see what we needed to do to begin with anyways.
That's fine. You know, there's only like a gazillion things we still gotta finish off, but it's good.
Yeah, why don't you turn her over?
All right, you wanna hear it rip?
Yeah, we got the Haltech, their wideband all wired up to Sean's computer.
We are no longer blind.
Let's hear how she sounds. A conservative exhaust. Or is it just me, or does this still have like a KA tone to it?
Well, yeah, it's a KA exhaust. Oh, let me get some visuals.
Yeah.
Make sure we're good, and I'll give it some rips.
So you're telling me if I put an SR exhaust on my LS, it sound like an SR?
No, actually, yeah. It's gonna sound exactly like an SR, just a little farter.
Yeah. Listen to the blow up valve, listen to those turbos. Cool, this sounds great. A year in the making, but we made it.
I love it.
So now the big thing is we are going to surprise Sean's parents with this build. He has had this car through college. It was
No. First car ever. Bought it when I was 16. Continue.
You left it in a farm.
All right, I'll just tell the story in like 3 seconds. Bought it when I was 16 because my sister totaled the car that I was supposed to drive. Showed up with this. My parents were like, what did you just buy? Planned to build it. Drove it to college. Blew it up on the way to college. Left it in a field for a year. Towed it home. Did a head gasket. Blew it up again. That's when Amelia found me.
Found you.
Okay, well, found the engine, I meant to say.
I found him on the side of the road. He had a will work for engine swap.
Yeah. My parents haven't seen it since, God, a long time.
Yeah, let's surprise your parents.
Cool.
Let's do it. Don't stall it. Don't stall it. You did it without looking. Look at you go. Who's a big boy doing big things?
I'm a big boy doing big things. It rubs so bad.
It does. I thought you ripped out the wheel well.
Dude, it sounds like it.
So we're on Haltech standalone right now. We don't have gauges to tell us what's going on, so we're using the computer to keep an eye on everything. Oh! You hear it right through the trans tunnel.
Well, it was designed that way.
Rub, rub, rub. We're not wearing seatbelts because we're on the track. We're on private property. Oh, there's your mom. Aww. Awesome.
You like it? Oh, she's crying.
I remember when you got the car with Grandpa.
Yep.
Oh my God. Oh, so happy.
This is now going to be a mom reacts.
Yeah, right.
This is Sean's dad trying to be supportive right now.
Wow! What did you do to the car? Oh man! Pop would be very very impressed.
You're good at this YouTube stuff.
Hey.
Oscar nominee.
See Rob's going down the hill with no tires on the back.
And he's just crazy. Oh look, she's crying.
You're crying?
Oh, look at that.
how I got the car with my dad.
That's true, I left that out.
This is his
Like,
first
I convinced
car
my
like
grandpa
that.
to drive me to LA to pick it up.
My dad's in heaven smiling on Shawnee.
Yep,
Aww.
that was emotional.
You're gonna make me start
You're gonna put the
crying.
quotes emotional in this one, aren't you?
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you.
Oh, thank you.
Love you guys.
RB26 twin turbo. I neglected to mention that we're running an adapter plate with CD09 trans. You guys check in the description below. You can see the full list of sponsors and partners that we have worked with in order to make this dream a reality. Sounds good.
Oh yeah, it sounds great.
You care to see under the hood?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, show me. Wow. I didn't know it was white again.
Yeah. Are you hashtag emotional as well?
I was more emotional when I got it. Now
Yeah.
I'm like, let's go drive.
Yeah.
You wanna take it on the track?
We could do it. Send it. You want to race this
Little
against the
ripski on the open
S14?
dip?
You
I think
ready
we're
to
gonna save
race?
that for another video, aren't we?
Yeah.
I don't get a
want to
tune
put a
first?
tune on this, to be fair.
It's a little slow right now, to be honest.
It does feel a little slow. Just a little slow.
Just a little bit.
Just a little. You out of here?
Yep.
1,000 horsepower 997. See you, man. Drive safe. Superleggera 488 R8 S13 M2 R8 S-Class. You guys will have to check Daily Driven Exotics episode if you want to see this whole debauchery at the track here, but it was a fun day. What we're really focusing on today though is this RB26 S13. Think you're cool now? Oh my god. Did you just break something?
No? A little burnout.
It sure felt like it. How come when I did a burnout it didn't feel as violent as that? So that is a wrap for the track day. Ah, my skin has definitely seen some sun. That's all right. We're gonna go get dinner now. I'm gonna drop off the S14 at Rob's. Sean's gonna drive the S13 home. My mom and I are gonna take the Subaru.
I'm gonna attempt to drive the S13 home.
Hopefully nothing goes wrong. The mom's is driving the Subi.
Yeah.
After you, my lady.
Well, you know, I'm not from here, so I have no idea where I'm going.
Well, we'll figure it out. What's going on? Something's wrong?
Trans is a little fussy. This plate's loose, which is making the shifter kind of like somewhat come out of its ball.
Okay.
It like popped out and it went into neutral as I was driving.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Do you feel comfortable driving it home today?
I think so. Let me see if it's overheating right now. It doesn't look like it's overheating with the fans on, but...
We could also call AAA as an option.
No, I mean, I think it's okay. It drives okay. There was a little smoke. It's always scary when you have a hole in your trans tunnel and you can see the road and like the smoke, because you're like, what are all those sounds? There was a loud pop going in a second on one.
Really?
Yeah, and I think it's that. Not boiling.
No, everything looks fine. Well, you guys already know we're at Jay's Hideaway because it is the best spot to eat here in Rosemond. Okay, princess, we'll see you inside. Just wrapped food. I didn't film it because I was a little hungry. Oh, you're rolling! Mom! Well, you just woke me the up. Here are the keys. Yeah, I didn't film food. I had a breakfast burrito. I shared it with my mom. We got potato skins to start, and it was delicious.
What were you doing?
What are you doing? But we're gonna head back. Sean's hood on the S13 isn't really seating properly, so we do have fear of it. You brake, go.
What front? No, there it is.
I want you to roll forward. There you go.
So where are we going?
We're going home.
Well, I don't know which way's home.
We're all gonna kind of caravan back. We have some footage to transfer over at my place, and then it sounds like Sean may be dropping the S13 off over at Troy's. Go right here. Good morning. Today's a new day. We are taking the S13 over to Turbo Joe. He's going to do a full look over on her, and then we're gonna dyno and tune Cash Money. I got you something.
Thanks.
We out here, yeah, there you go. What do you think of this build so far?
Pretty interesting, you know. You got your Nissan with your Nissan engine, right? So you can't say that you're cheating too much. Just a little bit.
You can be honest about the work behind it. We're not professionals.
I mean, hey, you got it from point A to point B, so that's what counts. The car runs. So now let's make it better and make some reliable power.
Yeah.
And that's about it.
Power, you hear that?
So you guys know Black Widow Supra on Instagram with the crazy gnarly two-step 2J? This is the man behind the tune.
That's what happens. That's what the secret sauce is.
There we go.
Kyle is pushing it to another level. I don't think he ever drove the car for a day without two-step. I think he addicted to it.
That's what I'm hoping for this S13.
Yep. We cleared the cats out for that, so.
Yeah, that's definitely a good thing.
So both these 2Js here are for the same customer. This is the new one, this is the old one. You guys want to see what happened to the old one?
I punched the side of the block and
That's what happened to the old one. All because on the freeway, they hit the oil pan, it caused a hole, they didn't hear or see it, resulting to this little fun project.
They're like melting rods, dude.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I wonder how that sounded coming through the block too.
I know.
I haven't heard anything.
Right?
Imagine the
Everything's fine here, no problem.
That's some sick bass we got on the radio, huh?
Dude, look at the crankshaft, how like melted it is.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like grooved.
So now this is it titanium now?
the crank.
Oh, I was like, wait, they make titanium cranks now? And this is basically the replacement?
Just the outside components, the brackets and stuff getting transferred, but this is a fresh block.
You guys did new pistons and rings in this
Yeah,
one?
this is new, completely new piston, new rings, bored out, higher compression than stock. This is 9.5 to 1.
Okay.
It's gonna be a flex fuel sensor car, so 91 and E85.
How much power is it gonna put down? Oh, is that my question?
It's probably gonna be around 550 on 91 and about 750 on flex.
To the wheels?
Yeah.
And what was this before? About the same?
Same setup, yeah.
For a 2J, that's not even batting an eye, huh? 750?
This is a street car.
Yeah.
And remember, it's automatic. It's fully built
that's
automatic
lame.
transmission. 700 is actually more than you can use on a street period.
Yeah.
Anything above 550 becomes a little sketchy.
We'll put mine to 700, we'll drive on the street and we'll see if we agree.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Sound
line
good?
them up.
We'll see if the RB can hold. I have faith.
I have made as much as a little over 600 on stock RB.
Alright, let's try it. We'll send mine to 7. I'm okay with
I don't
blowing
think
it.
your bottom end will hold 7.
Yeah.
What's wrong with my bottom end?
Yeah, it'll probably be a ticking bomb at that power.
Dude, it's a ticking bomb right now.
So to speak, yeah, it could be fixed. I think it could be reliable with a little over 400. No
I would
problem.
say that.
Reliable 400.
So what you're trying to tell me is that the S14 is going to be faster. That's what I'm hearing.
No way.
We're going to have to line them up and see.
I'll remove every piece of my car to make sure
I'm
it
doing
passes.
500 right now. That's to the crank though, but...
Yeah, but you can compare the NA power to turbo power.
Oh, yes, I can.
No, you have advantage because you got smooth power band.
Don't foster her ego, it gets dangerous.
Yeah, we'll line the two up and we'll see. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you already know that the interior of the S14 has been painted. I've dropped the car off, we got it done. I'm getting reactions of everyone's opinion on what the color swatches look like together. It is insane. I'm so excited to show you, but I'm gonna get Joe's reaction.
So you're gonna show me the colors?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
No one has seen this yet.
Let's see. Oh wow,
Yeah, you like
it's
that?
not bad.
Yeah, it's different, right?
Might wanna wear clean shoes, don't get it there.
Joe, thank you so much. We'll talk soon.
All right.
Oh, I don't know what just happened. Are you kicking the ECU by chance?
I'm not trying to. Maybe. The car just died?
Yeah.
What's going on?
I have no idea what's going on.
Did it bog or what happened?
No, it stopped. Julie felt like it slammed on the brakes.
Let me get my feet off the ECU.
It's idling fine now. Oh, shit.
So that's twice it's bogged out.
So Poop was kind of bogging out a little bit earlier. We have been having the high idle issue. I haven't told you guys this yet. I was gonna wait till I could physically show you. However, because of the Haltech, we were able to pull up the data logging and take a look at the car and see what's going on. And the throttle body seems to be a little loose.
That was weird. But
Yeah.
it bogged too when you pulled over a few minutes ago.
She is not a happy girl.
We'll have to take a look at it when we get there. Another reason why you own a Nissan. These damn Subaru owners smoking vapes and breaking cars every 5 seconds.
Hold the phone, buddy. You got a Nissan that still isn't running right, and it's been about a year now.
How long was this
My
thing down?
Nissan with this American GM V8 motor runs pretty healthy if you ask me.
How long was this Subaru down for?
I don't know what you're talking about. She runs great right now.
Didn't we just pull over with this car bogging?
Man, this feels great to have a running car. Wait, you don't know what that's like.
I'm pretty sure we just dropped my car off and I drove it there, so...
Huh. My car is so much faster than yours.
That's not true either.
Bro, you saw that pull I did.
I was barely on it.
Uh-huh.
I got a hole in my turbo.
They got a hole in
dude.
my turbo.
Dude,
oh,
I'm gonna
man.
smoke you.
Alright, so I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm actually filming this outro a completely different night. After Turbo Joe's, I kind of got... Actually, I met with Dee. But I did want to say, Turbo Joe's going to be buttoning up the car, some loose ends, and then he's going to dyno her, and hopefully we'll be spitting some flames and cash money. But I did want to do a mail time because it's been about a month. I also want to drag out this watch time a little bit. I have 2 letters. I don't open letters on camera because they're usually heartfelt. Nathan and Luke, I will read these off camera. So I got this package, and this was from Street Faction, and I called them. I was like, hey, you guys, did you mean to send this to me? Because I don't remember ordering it. And it turns out that one of you guys ordered this radio delete for me. I am very grateful of that. Now I can, well, it's stuck in here. There we go. This is a radio delete, and I imagine this was purchased so that I can put some gauges in here. So I just wanted to say thank you. I was so confused, but I appreciate you. Read that later. A $10 gift card to Chick-fil-A. Watermelon gummy candy? Like JDM gummy candy? Alright. We're gonna start right here. What is life? Alright. Aww, look at this, you guys. It's a rose. And it says Io Comete on it. This is actually very nice. Thank you. Barbecue flavored Cheetos? I don't know if I should try this right now or not. I'm gonna save this for when I see Rob next. This is definitely something to save for Rob. Luke, thank you so much, honestly. Next up. Oh my god. A 12-pack of Red Bull. Yo, Red Bull, if you guys try to sponsor me, you know, hit a girl up. Oh, this is great. This is how I know you guys know me too well. This is how you guys really know me too well. Thank you. Watermelon Sour Patch Kids. It looks like it's in a handy to-go box. Look at all these Sour Patch Kids. And a microfiber towel. Oh, this is from Rob. Rob from Canada. Summer shred time. Have you worn the Shiba socks yet? Yeah. Whoa. Okay, you guys, that is a wrap on mail time. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for mailing. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for everything. A quick update on the homes. I appreciate everyone who sent me links to homes and offered advice on what I should and should not get, etc. I do. I also do have a realtor. She's a boss, and we are working towards getting a garage, but I promise that will not affect content in the meantime. You guys can tell I need to get some sleep. I'm a little tired. I just wanted to stay up to do an unboxing and close out this video with you guys. So thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Ecrew, we out here with love. Bye.
We're looking for something. Oh, I'm on camera.
So, dude.